Hello guys, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about how we can connect master to the nodes, right, in Kubernetes. So without wasting times, let's get started. So let me create the instance for that. Okay. So as of now, I don't have any instances which are running. Okay. Let me refresh it and let me launch 3 instances. So in 3 instances, one will be the master instance, and rest are will be the no other nodes. Okay. So let me go with the Ubuntu machine only. Guys, there one prerequisites actually to connect master and I mean to set up the Kubernetes set. So there should be 2 CPU and 4 GB RAM at least. Then only it should work because it's a heavy machine. So let me go with the T2 medium. Okay, 2 CPU will be there at least. So yeah, let me select my key pair also. Let me edit some network settings. Allow air all traffic. Okay, yeah, everything seems fine. Let me increase the number of instance 3. Let it install. I mean, let it ready. Okay, so let me rename this as a master 1, node 1, node 2. Okay, now let me connect this machine. Let me connect another one also. The last one, node 2. Yeah, so now you can see this is a master machine. Okay, and similarly this is node 1 machine and this is node 2 machine. Now let me log in all the machine as a root user. So for that sudo su, and now clear the console as well. Okay, so sudo su, sorry guys, type a mistake. Okay, sudo su clear. Okay, now what I have to do, now we have to set up, we have to install some of the things on master and some of the things on nodes to connect to set up this master and node. Okay, so let me so guys, we have already one scripted file, so we will go with this scripted file to set up this Kubernetes. Okay, so here I mention everything. So in this scripted file, so just copy this script file. Okay, so it is saying like in master machine run this sudo which I have already done, right, in all the machines. So let me copy this script file and run this master on master machine. Okay, now what it is saying, yeah, let me run this command. Okay, now let's skip this file and this command, let it come with this one. Okay, now again this one. Okay, now come to the nodes machine. So it is saying in the nodes machine what we have to install. It is saying sudo su, okay, which we already done, guys. And now come to the second command, which is this one. Let me copy this one also, but this command run will on the nodes, okay, not master. Okay, oh guys, we have done mistake here. Actually, master things we have installed in the node 1. So do one thing, we will just rename this, okay, node to master, master to node. So node 1 will be the master. Here we will install, right, everything. So you can, if you want to see also. Sorry guys. See, this is a master file. We have installed in the node 1. So let's rename this name actually. So node 1 goes to the master. Updated master. And this one is node 1. Okay. Now if we refresh it, we'll see the master. Okay, cool. We have to log in as root user. Okay, this is master. So we have installed, right? Now let me run this. This one. Node 1, node 2. So we have to give the permission. Nothing is there, right? So means we have to run this script file in node 1. Okay, let me copy, let me paste it. Yeah, we get it, right? Now we will run this command on node 1 as well. So okay, node 2. Okay, now let me run this script file. Okay guys, so all the commands we have run actually. Now let me focus yeah guys, so all the commands has been run actually, okay, on respected this virtual machine. So now let me go on the script file. What is saying? So it is saying after this run this command on the nodes, right? So let me copy this command and let me run this node. First let me clear this and let me paste it here, okay, and here as well. Okay, now what is saying? It is saying after KTS installation is done, we need to connect the nodes with the master by token, right? So for that we have to generate the token. So for that we have a command called, this is one, right? So we have to run this command on the master node. This is a master node, right? So let me paste it here. Let me generate the this token. Okay. Now what we have to do? What it is saying is script file. So whatever token comes up, copy the token and paste it in the notepad. So let me open the notepad. Okay. Let me copy this token, copy and paste it here. Okay. Now what we have to do? What is saying? It is saying after that in this that command you will see this number, okay, return. After that you have to paste this thing, this string, right? So let me copy this string also, copy, and so this is the number item what is saying, right? And in the instruction, right? Let me paste it here, over here. Okay, let me copy this and paste it to node 1 and node 2. Yeah, it got connected, guys. So this is how we can connect from master to node, right? Like if you want to verify, we can also verify. Keep ctl get pods